Thanks for joining us. Seeing a very warm day not only in the interior but here at the coast as well. Seeing mid-90s further inland with 96 in Orleans, 95 in Willow Creek, Garberville, a little bit cooler at 88, but here at the coast seeing offshore flow that led to some upper 60s in many areas, with Brookings making it to 88 degrees for today. We're looking at a little bit of a cool down through the day for tomorrow, but still staying in the 80s up there, seeing 68 in Orick for today. McKinleyville 80 degrees as well. That's thanks to that offshore flow that we saw earlier today, and plenty of sunshine as well. Here in Eureka, though, getting up to 66 degrees for today. Currently in McKinleyville, sitting at 73. So we've been on a pretty decent cool down through the early evening hours. At 2, they were sitting at 79 degrees. So we have cooled down a good bit. Winds, though, currently calmed down a little bit as well, down at 6 miles per hour. Here in Eureka, winds sitting at around 12 miles per hour. And our top gust today did get up to 31 miles per hour here in Eureka. Now, the reason for that is going to be this large ridge of high pressure that is just off of our coast. Now, that's been bringing us that offshore flow and also the gusty winds for most of today. That's going to continue to be just off of our coast mainly until Saturday. And as we are heading into Sunday, that's when we're going to finally see a cool down. But it does look like as we are heading through the next few days, we will see the offshore flow sticking with us, warm temperatures, and we do see that the flow of this does go right past that Happy Camp Complex fire. So we can expect to see more smoke filtering in through the area as we are heading through at least Friday and into Saturday. It looks like by Sunday, though, these winds are going to begin to shift, and that's going to be less of a concern with the smoke. We also will see more fog moving back into the area as we are heading through Sunday. But for tonight, dropping into the 50s with 52 in Willow Creek, 55 in Orleans, and 59 in Neeland. Here at the coast, dropping into the mid-50s for many areas with 55 in Eureka, 55 in Trinidad, and 58 in Brookings. Seeing a few clouds moving through later on this evening, but most of us staying clear, a lot like what we saw last night. Seeing 90s, though, for tomorrow, so another very warm day for the interior with 97 in Orleans, 96 in Willow Creek, and 96 in Garberville. That's going to be the trend through the rest of the week. And here at the coast, still dealing with the offshore flow, so expect temperatures a little bit above normal, not as gusty for tomorrow, seeing 67 here in Eureka, 72 in McKinleyville, and 82 in Brookings, so another day in the 80s in Curry County for tomorrow. In the marine forecast, we do have a small craft advisory through Thursday morning. Winds will be from the northwest 5 to 15 knots. As we take a look at the next 7 days, staying warm through Saturday. By Sunday, though, we will see a system come through and kick us back into the lower 60s here at the coast. Inland areas can expect to see full sunshine and mid and upper 90s through the rest of the week.